していたと思いますか?
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Tonic studio haul to share with you, and so it's already been opened because hubby thought it was for him, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and look through this, and I do have a couple more boxes that I'm expecting from Tonic Studios, so be on the lookout for that video. Okay. And I get emails from Tonic Studio from time to time, and this time, ooh, I went ahead and placed an order because I just couldn't pass up the deals that they were having, especially in their clearance department. And I'm going to go ahead and leave you with my affiliate link to Tonic Studios in the description area below my YouTube video. So first thing that I see is, and I know I got these really, really cheap. This is a little bit thinner than I expected, but this was like, I want to say 70 something cents, maybe 40 something cents, so it's not bad. And these are perfect for card making. So I went ahead and got these two. I love this color combination, the pink and the gray. And look at this, looky here. I just love these colors. I love these colors, you know, and these are perfect for like when you're making cards or just crafting with just about anything that you want to have an added touch, want to add a little extra too. Look at this, so delicious. I love these colors. I just love these colors. Look at that. Look. I love it. And here we have this other one. And look at that. I love these colors. I love it. They're so delicious. And another good deal that I found, and these were only a couple of bucks. Look at these dies. Aren't they cute? And I could always use these with whatever. And, oh yeah, dimensional foam pads. I thought I would give these a try. These were like maybe $1.50. But you know what? Okay, I gotta be drop dead honest with you. I'm not impressed. I thought that they would be thicker than this. They're not as thick as ones that I'm accustomed to using, and I see that I only get like one sheet, and yeah, I think I paid a little bit too much for this because I get a better deal at Hobby Lobby. I gotta be drop dead honest with you, right? Okay, but you know, I thought I would try it, and now that I'm looking at it, yeah, you could get a better deal on foam pads elsewhere. Okay, so, oh, look at this. This was only like a couple of bucks. So cute. And what do we have here? Here's another one. Look at that. Again, just a couple of dollars. And oh my gosh, look at this. Love it. Okay, another thing that I ordered was cardstock, and I thought that I would give these sheets a try. It's a denim blue color, and they're pretty close to what I was expecting. They are textured sheets. I'm not excited about it. It looked better in the in the website, but it's okay. I can still use them, you know, for fall colors and maybe blue winter. So yeah, these are good, and the price was not bad at all. I think it was like $1.50, I think. Don't quote me on that, for 10 sheets of 8.5 by 11. And the reason why I got this is because this is way of a better deal than what you could get for a single sheet at Hobby Lobby. You know, I remember doing the math in my head, and I was like, no, this is a deal, because Hobby Lobby does not sell this cheap. Okay, so yeah, you know, I highly recommend it. Just, you know, pick the colors that you like. Oh my gosh. I love this. I knew this was gonna be a win. Okay, this is, as you can see, that they call it pink frosting. It's kind of like a rose gold slash pink, but more on the pink side than rose gold side, if that makes sense. You get 5 sheets, and of course, you know, I ordered 2. Oh, look at that. I ordered 2. And so, yeah, and this was also on clearance, and I went ahead and grabbed a couple because I was like, yeah, I can't get a better deal than this. So I am so happy that I chose. And the thing is, it has like kind of like a rainbow iridescent look to it. And I know that it's not showing on camera, but trust me in this. If you find these at Tonic Studio, grab as many as you can because this is an awesome buy and they are beautiful. Yay. Okay, and this is what I was waiting for. The email that made me open was this deal right here. Let me get rid of the box. Sorry about that. Okay, the email that I opened was because they showed this, and they had a sale, like a bundle sale. And so what caught my eye, oh look, it comes in this little bag. Well, it's not that little. It's kind of like an 8.5 by 11 size bag, look. Yeah, bigger than that. See that? Cool, huh? And I guess this comes for free with this to keep your dies, large dies in. That's a really good idea. Thank you, Tonic Studios. And, ooh! Ooh! Okay, I got these as well. I wasn't expecting it. Okay, look at this stencil. It's so pretty. I wish it was a die. Look how pretty it is. But I do have paste and stuff that has been sitting there for months and months. I do want to get into stenciling. And look at this. Look at these. We have some stamps, and I guess the stamps is going to go with this. Oh, okay. This was a bundle, yes. And this is a paper that I got with it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the papers. Because I was like, yeah, that's not bad. And it looks to be, I want to say 8.5 by 11, but then again, it might be an 8.4. Hang on a second. Let me do the comparison, okay? Okay, it is an 8.4 because obviously it's an English company. This comes from the UK. So the papers are 8.4, but you know, cardstock is 8.5 by 11. And so the papers are an 8.4. And let's go ahead and take a look at the papers. Okay, I'm just going to have to go ahead and rip this open like this. It's like Christmas. And here's this pretty print. And they are double-sided. So we have this print here. I'm going to try to go real fast. I like this side best. And we have this print over here. Very pretty. Oh, I like this size the best. This side. Oh, this is really nice. Very picnic-like. Very Easter, spring, hey, even summer. I really, really like this side best. And over here we have some buttons. Ooh, I like this side better. I could use this for Christmas crafts, you know. And oh, this is pretty. Look at this, a bunch of daisies upon a green dotted background. That's so pretty. And this is the other side. I like this side better. And this is pretty too. I love these colors. You know, I want to use them for Christmas this year. Oh, this is going to be hard, you know, choosing this side over this side. I think I'm going to use this side because I do have this color on the other ones. And I believe it's 2 of each because I see that they repeat themselves. So, okay, that was a paper. And now for the piece of resistance. We are going to do the dies. This is what made me open the email and made me buy. Looky, 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 looky. I love it. Oh, okay, so it comes with the paper, the stamps, and the, I don't know what, it doesn't say that it comes with this. I guess they just threw that in there. Okay. Well, let me show you the back. And this is supposed to be, it's called the So Crafty die set. 40 dies. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. Whoa! Just like that, a folder. Isn't that a pretty folder, you know, that you could go ahead and alter? But the pictures of the eyes are so cute. I don't want to have to alter. I don't want to alter. Look at that. You get the safety pin and this and this and this. And I guess over here we have instructions on how this is made. Because I want to make this. I want to make this. I want to make that. 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 Yeah. Alrighty. So, okay. Oh, okay. I could take this out like this. So this is what you get in the bundle. And yeah, I can't wait to use these. I'm so excited. Look at that. Yeah, so if you're interested in any of this, I'm going to go ahead and leave my link to Tonic Studios down below. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, and a comment. That would help too. Thank you. Bye.